The 3 mA cross with alert MTF indicator for MT4 is a multiple timeframe indicator that works like a normal moving average. The indicator plots 3 multiple timeframe exponential moving averages on the chart. They are faster, medium, and slow EMAs. Whenever the two MAs cross each other, the indicator produces a buy or a sell signal. When the crossovers happen, the indicator shows arrows along with diamonds. If it's a bullish crossover, then the indicator plots a blue arrow and diamond. Conversely, if it's a bearish crossover, then the indicator plots a red arrow and diamond. 3 mA cross with alert MTF indicator buy/sell signals. The above pound sterling to US dollar H4 chart shows the buy and sell signals for the indicator. When the slower EMA goes above, the faster one, the indicator plots a blue arrow along with a diamond. It means forex traders can enter a long trade. On the other hand, when the slower EMA dips below, the faster one, it's a sell signal. Conservative traders may enter after the appearance of red and blue diamonds. For a more aggressive approach, traders can enter after the emergence of a diamond. The 3 mA cross alert V2 forex indicator for MT4 is a popular trend indicator with alerts based on the crossover of 3 moving averages. The indicator is composed of a faster, medium and slower moving average. Key points. A buy alert will occur when the faster moving average crosses both the medium and slower moving average upwards. A sell alert will occur when the faster moving average crosses both the medium and slower moving average downwards. I think the moving average crossover strategy is one of the oldest and most basic strategies there is. Normally this strategy only consists of 2 moving averages and enters trades based on the cross of the MAs. The 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4 however uses 3 moving averages and thus will probably perform better than strategies that only use 2. The indicator doesn't display the moving average to not confuse you but draws red and green arrows to show you the crossover and thus the entry signal. In this article I will first quickly explain the basics of the strategy based on the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4. Afterwards I will tell you about its different settings. In the end you will learn how you should combine this indicator with others to maximize your profits. Basics of the moving average crossover strategy. The moving average crossover strategies are using multiple MAs at the same time, each with a different period. Typically, there is one very fast EMA, red, that is used for entry signals and a slow EMA, blue, to better capture the overall trend. However, the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4 also uses a third moving average with a medium period, green, to filter the entry signals and thus prevent some losing trades. This strategy generates long signals once the following conditions are met. The medium EMA, green, must be above the slow EMA, blue. If the fast EMA now crosses the medium EMA to the upside, the long signal is triggered and the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4 draws a red upward arrow. The opposite is true for short signals. The medium moving average must be below the slow MA and then the fast moving average crosses both these lines. You can see in the screenshot above, that the chart gets rather confusing with all these moving averages, so it is very good that the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4 only displays arrows at the important crossovers and keeps the chart clean otherwise. Settings of the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4. The settings of the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4 are simple and repeat themselves. Technically they only consist of the settings of 3 moving averages and 1 to configure the alert feature. For each MA you can first choose the period. In the next line you can configure the shift and the last setting defines the moving average method. With a 0 the indicator uses a simple moving average, with 1 it uses an EMA, a 2 sets a smoothed moving average and a 3 a linear weighted MA. I would suggest that you experiment a little with these settings and figure out which moving average combination you like the most. The last setting is used to turn the alert function of the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4 off, 0, and on, 1. With the alert switched on, you will receive an alert every time the indicator draws an arrow, which means every time a crossover happens. This feature is a great addition, since it can save you a lot of time, because you don't have to be in front of the charts all day. Trading with the 3 moving average MA cross with alert indicator for MT4. This indicator, while powerful on its own,